Right, so I'm back. Got some longer screws. Remember, these screws were M2.5, and in the end they came to a length of about 15 millimeters. You can see a slight protrusion here from the back plate, and to solve my binding issue I use a slightly thicker nut here in the form of a spacer. So this was an M3 Nylock nut that has the Nylock head, just giving you a bit more space here, which gave the clearance required. Haven't put a screw on here yet, but it will resemble this one. And we've got the same thing over here, an M2.5 by 15 screw and an M3 Nylock nut as a spacer. Again, that's how it's mounted onto the engine. Traxxas Easy Start, HPI engine, well comprised of a force block and a HPI head. It's plugged in. Will it work? There you go. That's turning that big block nicely. This was much bigger than any Traxxas engine that was ever made. That Easy Start motor is up to the task though, and can turn over that big block. I've got no doubt that will start when connected up. So what do? We've got the harness here. We've got our wire that goes to the plug in there. Probably could benefit from some additional like heat protection there, such as a stainless steel spring or so, maybe a broken exhaust spring. You cut the ends off and use that to stop the wire touching the head or other hot components. And to earth the system, often the Traxxas wire is mounted to one of the engine mount screws like that, because they would be in place, but you could mount it to anywhere on the engine. You could have it on this one, you could have it here between my back plate and there, anything that makes that connection for the plug circuit, whatever routing suits the application best. So there you have it. Traxxas Easy Start, HPI big block, can be done. These force-based engines come in a lot of vehicles, a lot of cars and buggies. You could pick up a Traxxas Easy Start. It's a nice piece of kit on eBay second-hand, and give your Nitro car an electric starter. Let me know what you think. Have you done anything similar? Would you want to do something? Is it better than what HPI offer in the form of roto start, which we're going to look at in the next video?